Hello traders, welcome to my channel. I will show you best forex strategy for consistent profits and its review from June 2015 to till now. Uh, we can use any pair for this strategy. Time frame will be T1 and don't use any indicator. Just I draw some trend line and channel, and we have to find out only engulfing pin bar and shooting star, and also a spike candle that has big spike, bigger than body. So let's start how it works. We have to looking for uh, channel touch, channel line touch, first touch, second touch, and for entry confirmation we have to find out third touch. Here is first touch, second touch, and not found here second touch uh, in this trend line, and we got first touch, second touch, and here we got a third touch for entry confirmation. Now we found a bullish pin bar, and then then from a engulfing candlestick. So we can start from here. We'll uh, entry here, and stop loss will be here. Next, here is first touch, here is second touch, and here is third touch, and here from a pin bar, bearish pin bar. So here will be our entry, and here also from a pin bar. Here also we can go to entry. Here is also a touch, but here is no engulfing or pin bar. So we have to looking for next touch. Here is another touch, and here is an engulfing pattern, but the trend line is very near to this candlestick, so we have to leave this entry. Here is we go to another uh, engulfing, but here is uh, we have to short profit here. So guys, here is we are looking for third entry. Here is first, here is second, and here is we got third, but here is no engulfing or pin bar. Here is a breakout. Guys, here we got here a pin bar, so we can take this entry. Here is not from a pin bar or engulfing. Now price has been changed. Their trend line, first, second. Here is no third. First, second, third. But third, there is no engulfing pattern or pin bar. We can found here a pin bar. So confirmation, for this confirmation we use this engulfing pattern, and also here is also one touch, two touch. Here is also got three touch, and here is we got a another chance to trade. Here is we got a entry, false breakout, leave this zone. Here is got entry point. Guys, here we got another entry opportunity. Here is one touch, two touch, and here is got another entry. risk ratio will be 1:3. So in this area we not found any candlestick uh, like engulfing and timber. Here is also then now price changing their trend line. One touch, here is one touch, two touch, three touch. Here will be our also here is also will be our um, sell entry because it has bigger spike, better the bigger the then body. Here is also engulfing pattern from entry point 1 2 3. Here will be our entry 1 2 and we got 3 here. We got 3 here. Here will be our engulfing pattern. So we can trade here. Entry, guys. We got 2 entry here. One engulfing, two pin bar with this trend line. With this trend line. 1 2 1 2. Guys, here is also got another sell entry. Uh, Here got another. Here, sorry. Here we got second touch. Here is got a third touch. But here is we can't trade because the next trend line, next channel is very near to this candle. So leave this trade and wait for next touch. Guys, it's all about my strategy. You will be very profitable with this strategy. Uh, Thanks a lot. Please subscribe my channel.